yake bana.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Miss Tracy over here. So guys, I know you are waiting for the house update video, and today that is exactly what I have brought. In this video I am doing a whole lot of unboxing, and I can't wait for you guys to see. Yeah, so stay tuned. Should I tell you everything that I'm unboxing? Nah, I think you guys should watch and find out, and I can't wait for you guys to see the end product of the house. So yeah, so drop a comment down there and tell me what I did wrong, what I did right, what I should add, what I should not have bought. Yeah, so I can't wait for your opinions. I can't wait for you guys to just watch the video. And yeah, in the meantime, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. I am waiting for your comments. I so love engaging with you guys out there, and thank you for the support. Yeah, I can't thank you enough. So yeah, I'll be posting every weekend. Can you imagine? Yeah, I'll be posting for you guys every Sunday. A video will be dropping from tomorrow. When is tomorrow? 23rd. Yeah, so each week I promise you guys a video. So without too much talking, let's get into the video. Bye guys. As I told you before guys, I am doing a house, is it a makeover or what is it? So I got this table, this study table. I didn't get a chair, but a chair will be arriving soon because I ordered it online. So I want to unwrap this with you. So tag along. Where do I start? I can hold on, we can never go down. All the way up from there is what I want. If they try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same clothes. And no matter is their last if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put our ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. We gon' win all the awards, cause if you down. Big couple goals if you down. When I attention, we go down if you down. Just let me know, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. You hold me down, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. Hold me down. Cause if you down, I can take you on the cruise if you down. I might put that ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Let me know, cause if you down, we gon' win all the awards if you down. We couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down. Just let me know if you're down. I can take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put that ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know if you're down. We gon' win all the awards if you're down. Couple goals if you're down. When I touch down, we go down if you're down. Just let me know.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake
So guys, apart from the table, I got a fridge. Clap for me, guys. It is not easy. It is not easy, yeah. So I got this fridge, Hisense. Okay, from the fridges that were there, I thought this one would be a perfect fit because it's not too big and not too small for me. Plus, it has 2 stars, meaning it saves more energy, and also the watts are a bit lower compared to the ones that were there. So I thought this would be perfect for me. And an advantage that comes with this is that it has a water dispenser here. So I think this will like serve the purpose of a fridge and a dispenser. I don't have to buy another dispenser because my house is not that big to accommodate a lot of things. So yeah, come with me as I unwrap my fridge.
Fake to me now.
Yeah.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me.
So guys, I'm done like removing the what are they called? The makaratasi. So the fridge came with this tiny ice cube holder and this eggs holder. So I will put them over here. Then this is the dispenser side of the fridge. Inside the fridge, this is where you put the water. Then this will go in here, but before I start just storing things inside, I should definitely clean the fridge before I start storing things inside. Then one thing, I left this one. I almost forgot. You know guys, it's not good to like start using your fridge if these papers are still intact, because with time it will be unable for you to like remove them. That's why I'm removing them. I hope it's enough. So yeah, we're all good. So let me clean it, connect to electricity, then arrange the things.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up.
Guys, I'm embarrassed. Look at what I was sitting on. This is basically my office. Okay, it's not that arranged because I do everything here. I eat, I work, this is like just like basically my dining and my office at the same time. So today I went to Jumia and got my office chair. Yeah, so let's unwrap with you guys. Karibu nitoboe. So where do I put you guys? Here. Acha niwaekele hapa guys. So I unwrap my seat. Our new seat. Yeah. I think I ordered for this chair last week. If not Friday, Saturday. And today is
rules if you down. I might put an ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know, yeah, if you down. Love if you start showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. If they try to break you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, is it lust if you down? I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put our ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. We gon' win all the awards, cause if you down. Big couple goals, if you down. When I attention, we go down if you down. Just let me know, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. You hold me down, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. Hold me down. Cause if you down, I can take you on the cross if you down. I might put that ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Let me know, cause if you down, we gon' win all the awards if you down. We couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down. Just let me know if you're down. I can take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put that ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know if you're down. We gon' win all the awards if you're down. Couple goals if you're down. When I touch down, we go down if you're down. Just let me know. Take you on a cruise if you down. I might put an ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know, yeah, if you down. Love if you start showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. Try to break you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, is it lust if you down? I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put our ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. We gon' win all the awards, cause if you down. Big couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down. Just let me know, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. You hold me down, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. Hold me down. I can take you on the cruise if you down. I might put that ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Let me know, cause if you down, we gon' win all the awards if you down. We couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down.